Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video and this is for the Supremo One Wi-Fi action camera. I'm planning to buy a GoPro and then nag-check muna ako online and then pumunta ako dun sa Keemstar and yun, I saw this Supreme One Wi-Fi action camera and immediately I called Keemstar and nagpa-reserve ako ng isang unit nitong Supreme One. So yun, immediately pinick up ko siya sa Emerald Loft building and ang shop nila ay Technopop. So salamat kay Ate Rachel na nag-assist sa akin na ma-reserve ko ang isang unit nitong Supremo One. Alright, by the way guys, this Supremo One is only 3,880 pesos. Alright, so let's do the unboxing. Alright, so sa front makikita niyo yung logo ng Supremo One. And then on the other side makikita niyo yung specs. Yan, nakalista siya dito. Yung mga social media sites nila tulad ng Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And on the other side, makikita niyo naman yung what's in the box. Which is yun yung ipapakita ko sa inyo today. And meron din silang app, which is the iSport Cam, which is compatible sa lahat ng mobile phone. Alright, makukuha niyo yung mobile app nila or mada-download nyo yung mobile app nila sa Google Play at sa App Store. Alright, so sa harap makikita niyo yung camera niya and yung wrist remote. Alright, so once you open this, hilahin niyo lang siya and then tanan, makikita niyo na yung action camera. First time ko lang magkaroon ng action camera and talagang binili nung nakita ko siya, as in parang yung specs niya is kasing ganda lang rin ng GoPro, kaya ginrab ko na kagad. I mean, tumawag kagad ako at pina-reserve ko na kagad. Alright, so sa harap makikita nyo yung camera sa taas and then ito yung kanyang wrist remote. Alright, check natin kung ano yung nasa loob ng box. Alright, so taas lang natin siya. And then ang makikita nyo is yung first is yung user guide and also yung warranty card and yung quick start guide. Meron tayong portable frame. We also have the 3M adhesive. We also have the flat mount, the USB cable. We also have rechargeable battery. Ito yung maganda sa kanya kasi meron siyang dalawang rechargeable batteries. The lock bolt. This one. Yeah, we also have the knuckle. And we also have the curved mount. Yan. And also the Supremo One sticker or the Supremo sticker. Okay, so i-remove na natin siya. Okay, yung first kong i-remove is yung wrist remote. So, ayan, ito yung itsura niya. Alright, so guys, ito na yung camera. Ayan. And you know guys, sa murang halaga, makakakuha kayo ng kasing gandang ng specs ng GoPro. Alright, so guys, ito yung nasa loob ng box. pupunta kami ng Batangas next week and I will use this camera and ipopost ko dito yung mga videos namin using the Supremo One Wi-Fi action camera. Alright, thank you for watching guys, and see you again on my next video. Bye!